We are at Sawgrass Recreational Park in Florida, one of the companies who provides airboat tours in the Everglades. Situated next to the Highway 27, this place is very easy to reach. The total size of the Everglades National Park is around 6,100 square kilometers. The Everglades is the home for a large number of alligators and endangered species. The airboats are too noisy, as most of them are made with Chevy engines. They can provide between 50 and over 600 horsepower. During the tour, the boat driver fills you with a lots of information about alligators and such.
Alligators on their bolsters, freaking squeeze it, they just sink and become part of
They also have a reserved area where you can see rescued reptiles. It consists of pythons, tortoises, alligators, etc.
$7,000 a year here in Florida. So if we can save them, we do, and that's how we bring them in. This female right here, her name is Chrissy. She is 8 feet long. She is around 400 pounds, and this is a wild American alligator. She was born and raised out in the wilderness. She ended up going into a neighborhood looking for free snacks, and she went into people's backyards. The police were called. When the police showed up, they tried to shoot her. They fired off their first shot, they missed, and she went running. She went running for 6 days straight, and the police gave up looking for her. Then she was caught by a private alligator trapper. And a private alligator trapper here in Florida is just a crazy guy with a rope. He goes into the water, he lassos them underwater and brings them out alive. And that's how we got this female. She did go through 3 different rescues before we got her because she tried to kill all of the other females that they had put her with. Yeah, spicy lady. Yes. They all have personalities just as unique as humans. So we have to treat them all very differently. We have to figure out what kind of animal we're dealing with.